What constitutes an auto dialer under the new TCPA guidelines, and how can we ensure our systems comply? What's a robocall or voicemail drops considered a robocall?
Yeah, so that's a great question too. So let's talk about auto dialers because that's a big deal. Everything is a spectrum, right? And Preston's heard me say this before. So on one side, you have let's call it a rotary dial phone. Okay. On the other side of the spectrum is a power dialer that's generating random numbers and just calling them out, calling them out, calling them out. Right. So I like to say the closer you get to a rotary dial and more human selection, more your own list, right? That is closer to a safe system to use. The further you get away from human selection, the riskier it becomes. And because of the way the statute is written and the definition is written, and courts have interpreted it, there are scenarios where a system that you think could be safe is not, because the statute says a system has the capacity to randomly generate or store numbers. Doesn't mean you have to use it, just means it has the capacity to use it. So that's what you want to make sure that your dialers do not have that capacity. And like we've seen some companies have completely rewritten their code base to remove that capacity to have a TCPA safe dialer. So that's the kind of thing we want to make sure we're looking at when we're looking at dialers. Are we randomly storing or generating numbers? Obviously, random number generation is risky. I mean, as you can assume. And the storing is the part that what is the capacity there to do? Those are the two things you want to look at.